Hi guys, in this new Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 tutorial, I'm gonna answer to one of the most important questions related to World Photographer mode in Microsoft Flight Sim 2024. When you hit your spacebar, so when you take a picture, maybe as a challenge while you are in World Photographer, or maybe also as, I don't know, as a particular moment you want to remember of your free flight, um, well, where will that picture be saved? It's a hard question to answer because if you go to your photo library inside your simulator, which is located in your profile icon, photo album, you will find this text. All photographs are saved in local path. Okay, where the hell is local path located? Um, Let me show you where you can find all these pictures. In my case, I took 11 photos, so we expect to find 11 images in this strange local path directory. So where is this local path? I think it depends on the source of your simulator. If you downloaded it via Steam, probably it will be in a different location than the one that I'm gonna show you. But if you downloaded it via Microsoft Store, via Xbox Store, I don't know how it's called, you will find it in local disk, users, your user, AppData. Oh, if you can't see AppData folder, just click on the More Options button. No, sorry, on the View button and then Show Hidden Files or Hidden Elements. I don't know how it's called in English. I have my PC in Italian, so I'm trying to translate this text in English. I don't know, without changing the entire language of my PC. So AppData, local, then I'm sorry, I don't remember. I think it was packages, and then Microsoft Limitless, local state, and finally screenshot. Here you can find 11 items, which are my photos, my screenshots taken during World Photographer, for example, these pictures of different castles, but also in free flight, for example, this screenshot, but also this one. So now you can find your PNG file for any of the screenshots you took, and you will be able to use it as a normal file. So you can share it, you can I don't know, you can print it and save your physical pictures in a physical photo album, but you can also publish them on Instagram. I don't know. You have all your files available as normal files and not as Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 internal screenshot. And that's all. Hope you found this video useful and see you next time. Bye bye.